Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the Bullion News of the Week. It is Sunday, November 24th, 2024. The Jimmy Dean sausage is in the pan, and let's get going. Okay, we're going to start off with spot price, same as yesterday, but we have gold at 2,716 and silver at 31.31. And definitely big move in gold yesterday. Will it continue on Monday? We will see. Might have a little bit to do with the economic calendar and world events. We have the gold silver ratio sitting at 86.65, uncomfortably high in the range, which would probably mean silver would go up or gold would go back down. We will see tomorrow. The 10-year yield dropped off a little bit yesterday to 4.412, but still hovering at a very high level and threatening possibly to go back higher. If we were to reach recent highs, it would shoot to 4. It would shoot to 5, and that would not be good for metals or for our government or for anybody really. The dollar is still incredibly strong at 107.49, and the upside on the dollar is probably back to 115. Let's see, this shows 112, but I thought we hit 115 at some point, maybe 114. So definitely a breakout above 106, now in the 107s. Dollar incredibly strong, having to do with weakness in Europe. Okay, and industrial metals. Well, we keep watching copper for a clue as to where silver will be headed on the commodity side. Copper was off 3 cents on Friday at 4.13, and looking at a longer chart, it's just kind of hovering in a range here, ready to do something. What will it do? I don't know. Okay, at the major economic events coming. Monday, we've got nothing. Tuesday, consumer confidence, new home sales, Case-Shiller. Wednesday, initial jobless claims and GDP, PCE. Big day on Wednesday. So we will see. We've also got Black Friday coming up, so often metals rally into economic reports. We'll see if that happens. Gold has certainly already gotten a head start on that. All right, over to the U.S. Mint. We have the U.S. Mint release the Morgan M Dollar 2024 two-coin reverse proof set, which has been a winner in the past, but I predict will be a dud this year. It's getting long in the tooth, and although it is beautiful, they're making way too many, 262,000. I doubt they'll sell half that. So I would not be a buyer of that set. Not everything the U.S. Mint makes goes up. Matter of fact, most goes down. Looking at the gold flowing hair, I think people's suspicion that they'll be releasing the additional 7,500 coins is correct, that this will probably come out in some kind of a set marking the sesquicentennial reissue of historic coins. This is the first coin in the set. It is a long-term winner, and I don't think by a little, I think by a lot. If you're selling yours, I think you probably need the money, but if you don't need the money, I would tuck these away for as long as you can possibly hold them, and in the perfect grades, they'll probably do even better. Why do I say that? All right, what this is here is the buyback price at JM Bullion. They started out in the 3,800s. They quickly raised that to the 3,900s. Now they're paying 4,040. If you got one of these, hodl that sucker. It's just going to keep going up. And I was watching a video from Spectacular the other day with the coin shop guy that he likes, and the coin shop guy said people are asking for this coin, tremendous demand, and eBay, the cheaper sales on eBay will be gone. This is not like your typical U.S. Mint release or a silver release where people buy, 1, 10, 20, 100, and then they flip them on eBay. This is an expensive coin, and people likely only bought one and only got a chance to buy one, if that. And therefore, when the flippers are gone, you're going to see the dealers continue to raise their prices. So that is what's going on with the flowing hair. Yeah, man, glad I got one. Boy, lucky there. I'm going to hit Black Friday sales in just a minute. Okay, but yeah, and they're not coming back up early in the morning, so you likely will not get one. Okay, that's how that goes. That's how the cookie crumbles. And if you did get one, let me know if you got one. I'd love to know that. I hope a lot of my friends did. I've been touting this coin for a while now. Okay, here is something new that you stack collector flipper maniacs will love. This is the Royal Mint Great Britain Norse god Odin. First bar in the set, as they often do. They start with Odin. There it is. It's a terrible rendering of the bar, but I want to show you what this bar is going to look like and then get into it in detail. Everybody should probably get one of these. The price is right on the 10-ounce bars. The 1-ounce bars are kind of pricey, but if we go over to my photo, all right, here we are. I found this on Facebook, and this is what these bars, but from the Royal Mint, and there you go. That is Odin on his throne, and they're just going to be beautiful. Just going to be beautiful. The other reason you will want to buy one of these is you may want to buy one of these. Let's get the reverse and see if it's a bar or a coin. Yeah, it's a Royal Mint. It is not a coin. It is a pure up bar. But mintage on the 10-ounce bars is 7,000. Okay, I believe this is a pre-order. I'm not sure when you would get those, but you definitely want to pick one of those up. That'll be a $500 bar here in the future with a limited mintage, much like the Una and the Lion bars. So yeah, they're making them look pretty bad here, but in reality they're going to be beautiful, even more beautiful when they're antiqued, which I plan to do with the one I'll be getting. And if you can afford more, buy more. Now they do have the 1 ounce as well, but those are about 38. Let's take a look at that. Odin silver and 1 ounce. Here it is. Yeah, they're 38.71. It's just too much for me to take a stab on that. It comes in Germania Mint's unique safe pack. I am really... oh, I see. It's a combined effort between the Germania Mint and the Royal Mint. Okay, there you go. Well, I didn't realize that. So that'll come in this blister pack here, and that's very cool. But I'd want to get the raw ones, not this one in particular. We may have to wait for that. The mintage is, I think like I was saying, 60,000 bars. The 10-ounce bars are, I think I said 7,000 bars. So very consistent low mintage on the 1 ounce and the 10 ounce. And it's just going to be a barn burner. So yeah, there you go. Initially, I wasn't happy to see another release of the gods. I don't know how many times they can release the gods. But here we go. We're going again, and this will be number 1. So that's a good pickup for you stack collectors. Okay, we're going to talk about Black Friday really quickly. If you want to get over to my website, bestsilvergolddeals.com, you can check the Black Friday tabs. I'll be adding to this. So we have a Black Friday sale coming up at JM Bullion next week. We have a Black Friday sale coming up at AppMex next week. That'll start, I believe, in 4 days. We have a Black Friday sale coming up at Scottsdale Mint. Good stuff there. And then also we have a sale coming up at BGASC. And they'll be doing 10-ounce bars for 59 cents over spot. 50 per customer limit. And these Mercury dimes, matter of fact, are these in stock now? No, they don't have the sales price on these. So unless it comes in your cart, but go ahead and check that out. They got Merc dimes, going to be priced same as Junk Rosies. We'll have to see what the price on that is. There is no price and they are sold out. So keep an eye on that at BGASC, or come on over to the website early morning and I'll let you know about it if I see anything good. Okay, the other thing I want to leave you with is a chart of silver. This is SLV, so don't let the prices confuse you. There we go. So we've got the 100-day simple moving average, and silver bounced off it and is now above it. That's probably a good place to be. We'll see if there's a smackdown again, back down to 30. But a lot of buying when it cracked 30, so I personally don't expect it to go lower. And I think spot prices often are higher during Black Friday. I don't know why I think that. You see if you agree. So yeah, we got potentially liftoff here in the silver market, being helped by gold and you know, that GSR uncomfortably high. So I think you can buy here, and that's what's going on. And hopefully we start the rally back up. We've got the moving averages. The shorter duration moving averages are below the 50-day. Okay, and we are certainly, oopsie, we are certainly below the 13. Oh no, we're above the 13-day. That's interesting. So we're below the 50, above the 13, above the 100. So could be that we found support here at previous resistance, and that could be 30 bucks. 30 bucks is the charm, and we're hoping it holds. And if it gets over, say, 31.60, we're probably looking to shoot back to the 33s with an upside maybe at 34.50 for the time being. Okay, well, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys every morning where I bring you the markets and the cheapest silver and gold anywhere in the interweb, and also talk about other stuff that's of interest to you. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day.